Today we're going to look at sequences by investigating the Tower of Hanoi pattern. Warm up. Here's a rule for making a list of numbers. Each number is one less than twice the previous number. Pick a number to start with, and then follow the rule to build a list of 5 numbers. All right. So I'm just going to start with the number 10. And it says each number is one less than twice the previous number. All right, so twice the previous number would be 20, and one less than that would be 19. All right, and then the next number would be 19 if we double it, which is 38, but then one less would be 37, and we double the 37, and then subtract 1. So I would get 73, and one more. 73 times 2 minus 1, 145. Does your list match anyone else's in class? Well, if anyone else's started with a 10, then yes, it would. But if not, my list would be different, even though we have the same rule. All right, today's task, the Tower of Hanoi. In the Tower of Hanoi puzzle, a set of discs sits on a peg while there are 3 other empty pegs. A move in the Tower of Hanoi puzzle involves taking a disc and moving it to another peg. To move a disc, click on it and then click on the peg where you want to go. You can't drag it. There's only 2 rules. You can move one disc at a time, and you can never put a larger disc on top of a smaller one. So I'll put this link on Schoology, or you can type it in. And our goal is using 3 discs, complete the puzzle, using 4 discs, complete the puzzle, and then answer these questions. So here's the table that we're going to be working through, and then here's the link. Let me pop it up here. Okay, so the first one on our table is 1 disc. So if there's 1 disc, there's just 1 move, and you would move it. So 1 disc, 1 move. Okay, what if there's 2 discs? How many moves? So I already made 1 move, so then I'll move this. Okay, and so that was 3 moves if I hit show count, so on my paper I'll put 3 moves. All right, now we need to do it with 3 discs. Okay, so we're just going to move it. And just see if we can find the minimum number of moves. And so here it's 7 moves. And so your goal is, can you do it with 4, 5, 6, and 7 discs? And we're going to talk about what that pattern is in class. And then here's the summary of our notes for today. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers. And a term is one of those numbers in your list. So if I said, what's the first term, it would be the first number in the list. What's the second term? What's the second number in the list? So if we look at the assignment right here, it says, here's a rule to make a list of 10 numbers. Each number is the sum of the previous 2 numbers. Start with the numbers 0 and 1 and follow the rule to build a sequence of 10 numbers. Right, so you have the first 2 terms. To find the next term, add the 2 previous terms. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, and keep building it until you have 10 terms. 2, a sequence starts with 1/2, 1/4, 1/8. What's a rule? How can you find the next term? And then use your rule to find the next 3 terms in the sequence. Number 3, a sequence of numbers follows the rule. There's a typo. Multiply the previous number by -2 and add 3. And then can you find these right here? So just is asking about these sequences, these lists of numbers. So finish page 3 for your assignment, and we'll go over it in class tomorrow.